Hi, if you are trying to connect to your printer and getting error message saying Windows cannot connect to the printer, then follow these steps to fix this issue. Let's get straight to the point. Click on Start and type Registry Editor. Select it up here. On this window, click Yes. In this window, you will expand HK Local Machine, then System, CurrentControlSet, expand Control, and then click on Print. I will also leave you this path in video description, so you can easily navigate to this print folder. Copy this path from description, then come here, delete this, right click and select Paste, and then hit Enter. Make sure that print folder is selected. On the right side, right click on empty spot and select New, and then dword 32-bit value. Rename it to RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. I will also leave this name in video description, so copy it and paste it here. Right click on it and select Modify. Make sure that value data is set to 0 and then press OK. Now click on Start and type Services. Select it up here. Click on any of these services on the right side and press P on your keyboard. Find Print Spooler service. Right click on it and select Restart. After it restarts, you can close these windows, and now you should have no troubles to connect to your printer. If you still have issues, then it could be some issues with the printer itself, or try to download and install driver manually. And this will be all for this video. I hope I managed to fix your printer issues. If I did, please hit that like button. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, hit thanks button. Subscribe with the bell on, so you don't miss my next video. Until then, stay safe and I see you all.